Hello guys, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. In this video, I'm going to mention a small photography trick which may be very useful for you, and that is zoom burst effect. See, I'm not using any Photoshop for getting that effect. I'm just using my SLR. If you don't know what is zoom burst effect, I will show you some images. You will get some ideas. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about. My name is Abhimanyu. I hope you got some idea, right? I will read it for you also. Zoom burst. Zoom burst is a photographic technique attainable with zoom lenses with a manual zoom ring. Using the technique involves zooming while the shutter is open with a relatively slow shutter speed, generally below 1/50 of a second. For this reason, low light or small apertures are required. Okay, I already mentioned that for getting that zoom burst effect, our shutter speed should be below 1/50th of the second. Then only we can get that effect. I'm going to take some image right now. Okay, my shutter speed is 1/20th of the second and aperture is f5 and ISO is ISO is 400. Okay. Okay, I have taken some images and also I will tell you how I took that images. First thing, I already mentioned that keep your shutter speed below 1/50 or 1/40 or 1/30, whatever. And second thing is keep your index finger on your shutter and just zoom in a little bit. And when you're going to click that shutter, do like this. Okay, you have to press the shutter and also you have to zoom out together like this. I hope you're getting the point. Just watch it again. Place your index finger on the shutter and just zoom in. And when you're going to click the shutter, you have to do it together. Okay, you have to do it together. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope you get that. If you're doing like that, you will get a perfect zoom burst effect. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to share this with your friends and families also. And wait one second. Do hit that bell icon and you will get the notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, we will see you in the next video.